So guys, in this video we will learn how to drop duplicates. Okay, so we have this df data frame, right? It doesn't contain any duplicates. For example, I'll just set it where it was. Yeah, that's fine, and we will copy this Batman 2 times. Okay, great. Now if I print df, you can see that this Batman has this 2 times. Okay, Batman has a duplication, so we want to remove one of them. Okay, so for that we just need to write df dot drop underscore duplicates. Okay, that's it. It will remove the duplicates from this table. Okay, now if I put parenthesis and run, you can see it didn't remove the duplicates. But why is that? Because we have to tell them like it should check the duplicate values according to the rows or columns, right? So but there is one more problem. We can't use the axis. Okay, so since we are comparing the columns, we can set axis equals to 1. Okay, but if I run it, you can see it's through an error and says that drop duplicates got an unexpected keyword argument axis. So it is clear that it doesn't take axis, right? So what is the alternative option? So alternative option is subset. You can see over here, this is a subset. It is actually not a drop underscore duplicate documentation, but you can see over here there is one more thing, that is subset. Okay, you can obviously check that one drop underscore duplicates in pandas and go into the documentation. Yeah, so you can see there is no axis parameter over here, right? So we have this subset, keep, in place, and ignore index. Okay, so we will use this subset. So the subset will be, let me just remove this axis from here and write subset, and that can be our name, right? So the name, column name is name, so we'll just write over here name. Okay, that's fine. Now if I run it, you can see that the duplication has been removed and it only printed the first one. Okay, but there is one more thing, keep. It is new over here, right? So it contains first, last, and false. By default it is first, so you can clearly see over here, if there is a duplication it will just print the first one. So here it printed this first one, right? It printed this one because here we have these 2 duplications, right? So if you set it to the last, so it will let me do that also. So yeah, keep is equals to last. Okay, so it will print this second one. Okay, so if I run it, you can see it printed the second one, and similarly you can also set it to false, and in that case it will not print if there is any duplication. Okay, so false, it will not print both of these. So we have these parameters only, and that's it for this drop underscore duplicates. Okay.